Hello student, in the last lecture we have discussed the relationship between molar mass, density of substance and edge length of a unit cell. After that we have discussed the packing efficiency. Today I am going to start a new point, that is number of a particle and unit cell in x gram of metallic crystal. After that we have discussed or start the numerical based on this point and the relationship between molar mass, density of substance and edge length of a unit cell. Okay, now start with the first, number of a particle in a x gram of metal. Number of a particle in a x gram of metal. Now a molar mass m contain Na particles. Na means Avogadro's number. Okay, now the molar mass capital M contain Na particles, Avogadro's number particles. Therefore the x gram of a metal contain x Na upon m particles. Okay, now we know that a density is equal to n into m divided by a cube into Na, which is discussed in the last lecture. Rearrange this equation, we get the value of m, that is m is equal to density into a cube into Na upon n. Put the value of m in this equation. In this equation we get number of a particle in a x gram is equal to x Na upon density into a cube into Na upon n. Solve this equation, we get new equation. This is the number of particle in a x gram is equal to x n upon density into a cube. Okay, now second point, a number of a unit cell in a x gram metal. Now n particle correspond to one unit cell. N particle corresponds to one unit cell. Therefore x into n divided by density into a cube, particle correspond to x into n upon density into a cube into 1 upon n unit cell. Solve this equation, we get new equation. This is the number of unit cell in a x gram metal is equal to x upon density into a cube. Okay, now start the numericals. The first numericals is silver crystallizes in a FCC structure. The edge length of unit cell is found to be 408.7 picometer. Calculate density of unit cell if a molar mass of silver is 108 gram per mole. Okay, now first given quantity given. The silver crystallizes in a FCC structure, that is type or nature is FCC. Therefore n is equal to 4. All of you know the in FCC the total number of constituent particle is 4, that is n is equal to 4. Okay, now next, the edge length of a unit cell is found to be 408.7 picometer. The edge length A is equal to 408.7 picometer. Convert this picometer into centimeter, that is 4.087 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Next, calculate the density. Calculate the density of a unit cell if a molar mass of a silver is 108 gram per mole. The molar mass that is capital M is 108 gram per mole. And next, Avogadro's number, this is a standard quantity 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 per mole. Put this value in this formula. The formula is density is equal to n into m divided by a cube into Na. Put all these quantities in this equation. Okay, now first n, that is 4, n is equal to 4 into m, molar mass is the 108 gram per mole, divided by a cube, length a, that is 4.087 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter raised to 3 or raised to 3 into Na, that is Avogadro's number, is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 per mole. Solve this equation. Okay, first multiply 108 by 4, we get 432 gram per mole get cancel. Okay, solve this bracket. The cube of 4.087 is 68.26 into 10 raised to minus 24. Cube of 10 raised to minus 8 is 10 raised to minus 24, and centimeter is converted into centimeter cube into Avogadro's number. Okay, now after that this 10 raised to minus 24 is converted into minus 23 here, minus 23. That means this point is shifted left hand side, give the value 6.826 into 10 raised to minus 23. That means this value, that is minus 24 raised to 10 raised to minus 24 is converted into 10 raised to minus 23. Okay, now this 10 raised to minus 23 and into 10 raised to plus 23 is cancelled, okay. Now this value remain here same, multiply these two value, we get 41.10 centimeter cube, and after dividation this equation we get the final answer, that is density is equal to 10.51 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, now let's see second numerical. Element with a molar mass 27 gram per mole form a cubic unit cell with a edge length of 405 picometer. If a density of an element is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, what is the nature of cubic unit cell? Okay, now first of all write down the given quantities. Okay, now element with a molar mass, that is capital M, is 27 gram per mole. Form a cubic unit cell with the edge length of 405 picometer, that is edge length A is the 405 picometer. Convert this picometer value into centimeter, that is 4.05 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Okay, now next, if density of element is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, density is the 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, what is the nature of a cubic unit cell? Nature question mark, and Avogadro's number, that is Na, is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 per mole. Okay, now in this numerical you have to find the nature. For that purpose you have to find or determine the n, and from n you have to determine the nature of cubic unit cell. Cubic unit cell having the three types. First, simple cubic, body center cubic, and face center cubic. Okay, now in this numerical you have to find the nature. For the determination of nature you have to find the n by using this formula. Okay, now the formula is the density is equal to n into m, that is molar mass, divided by a cube into Na. Rearrange this equation because you have to find the n. Rearrange this equation, we get new equation, that is n is equal to density into a cube into Na, that is Avogadro's number, divided by molar mass capital M. Put this value in this equation, that is density 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, density 2.7 gram per centimeter cube into A cube, A, that is edge length A is the 4.05 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. 4.05 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter raised to 3 into Na, Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 per mole divided by molar mass, that is capital M. The molar mass is 27 gram per mole. Solve this equation. Okay. Now first of all solve this bracket. Remaining quantity as it is. Okay. First solve this bracket. Okay. Now 4.05 raised to 3, that is the value is 66.43, and the cube of this value, that is 10 raised to minus 8 raised to 3 gives 10 raised to minus 24 centimeter converted into centimeter cube. Okay. Cancel the all in it. Gram get cancel. Centimeter per centimeter cube cancel. Per mole and per mole get cancel. Okay. Now 2.7. This 10 raised to minus 24 is converted into 10 raised to minus 23. Okay. Now this point is the shift to left hand side, that is it gives 6.643 into 10 raised to minus 23, that is 10 raised to minus 24 is converted into 10 raised to minus 23, and Avogadro's number remain as it is, that is 10 raised to 23. 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Okay. Now cancel this value, that is 10 raised to minus 23 and 10 raised to plus 23. Okay. And multiply these two value, we get 40. Okay. Now after dividing or after solving this equation, we get n is equal to 4. Therefore the nature is FCC. Okay. Now let's see the third numerical, that is calculate the number of atom and how many unit cell are present in a 2 gram of crystal which has a FCC structure having a edge length of 100 picometer and density is a 10 gram per centimeter cube. First write down the given quantity. The X is equal to 2 gram, N is equal to 4 for the FCC structure. Therefore N is equal to 4. The density is 10 gram per centimeter cube and edge length A is the 100 picometer. This 100 picometer is converted into centimeter, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Okay. First calculate the number of atom in a 2 gram. For that purpose use the formula, that is number of atom in a x gram crystal is equal to x into n divided by density into a cube. Okay. Now calculate the number of atom in a 2 gram, that is number of atom in a 2 gram is equal to. Now put this given value in this equation. That is a number of atom in a 2 gram is equal to x is 2 gram into 4, that is n is equal to 4 divided by density. Density is 10 gram per centimeter cube, and a cube, edge length 1 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter cube, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter raised to 3 or cube. Okay. Now solve this equation. First of all solve this bracket. After solving this bracket we get the value, that is 1 into 10 raised to minus 24 centimeter cube. Okay. After that cancel the unit. Gram get cancelled. Per centimeter cube get cancelled. Okay. Now 8 remain here. 10 into 1, that is 10 into 10 raised to minus 24. After solving this we get 0.8 into 10 raised to 24. Okay. And convert this 24 into plus 23, that is the final answer is 8 into 10 raised to 23 atom. That is, a number of atom in a 2 gram crystal is 8 into 10 raised to 23 atom. Okay. Now second, find out the number of unit cell in a 2 gram. For that purpose, use a formula, that is number of a unit cell in a x gram is equal to x upon density into a cube. Okay. Now find out the number of unit cell in a 2 gram. Now this given quantity put in this equation, that is x is equal to 2 gram, density is the 10 gram per centimeter cube into a cube. A is the 1 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. A 1 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter raised to 3. Okay. Now solve this equation. Okay. First of all, solve this bracket. After solving this bracket, we get the value 1 into 10 raised to minus 24 centimeter cube. Okay. We get the next value or next equation, that is 2 divided by 10 into 0.1 into 10 raised to 23. Here the unit is cancelled, gram get cancelled, per centimeter cube get cancelled. Okay. Now after solving this equation, we get this equation, that is 2 divided by 1 into 10 raised to minus 23, and after solving this equation, we get the final answer, that is 2 into 10 raised to 23. That is, the number of unit cell in a 2 gram is 2 into 10 raised to 23. Okay.